In this video, I will show you how to fix slow download speed on Chrome Android. It is an easy way to fast download speed on Chrome. First of all, go to Chrome and open. After open the Chrome, then go to search bar and click. Now type Chrome / flex. Search on this. Now search download. Now you can see parallel downloading. Now click this default option and enable this option. Click on this and click relaunch. Now you can see my parallel downloading option is enabled. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.